Welcome back to the channel. This is, of course, Finance Decrypted, where we get paid in Bitcoin. Talking about BlockFi today, and we're doing an unboxing or enveloping, however you want to look at it. We have this, the BlockFi Visa credit card from P.O. Box 92079, Long Beach, California. 90809, yada yada yada. So BlockFi logo there, and let's tear into this. Let's see what we have, how this packaging is set up. So there it is. Oh, this is quite nice. Look at this. BlockFi there on that side. And I assume you just pull this out. Oh, wow, look at this. You pull, and it comes out of both sides. Look at that. So, there's the Visa. All right, there it is. Bitcoin symbol, BlockFi. We have our chip. Finally, earn Bitcoin with every purchase. And on this side we have instructions: activate your card and get the BlockFi app. So obviously you already have the app. Let's get the, oh, okay, so the card slides out. I thought it pulls out, but no, it actually slides out of here. This is a metal card, very thick, very sturdy. And here's the back of the card. We'll look at the front again. Very nice. And then here's what you have after the card is removed. Some circuits there. You can see the Bitcoin logo in the corner. Very nice. So a little bit about this card. It is a credit card. It is not a debit card like what you have with crypto.com. It is a credit card, and some of the bonuses and features and benefits you have. First of all, you're going to get 1.5% cash back in Bitcoin. For the first 90 days, though, that's bumped up to 3.5%. You also get a stablecoin bonus of an additional 2% on the interest you earn on stable coins for the first year, I believe. Trading bonus on any trades other than stablecoin to stablecoin, you will get an additional 0.25% when you make regular trades through BlockFi. And here's a big one for referrals. You get an additional $30 for referrals on top of what you would ordinarily get without being a card holder. So I'm very excited about this. This is going to replace, to a certain extent, my Hilton Honors American Express card. I've mentioned it before. I have so many points accumulated that I can stand to use something else for a while. So for those types of purchases, gasoline, some of the monthly bills, particularly things that I can't use the crypto.com card for because they're exempt from their rewards program, I'll be able to use this card and still get rewarded. So it's just another way to leverage and to just get free Bitcoin. So what more do you need to know? Hey, now as I was saying, your rewards are in Bitcoin initially, but you do have the option to go into your account, and you have this area here for managing your rewards. It lists your rewards currency. You can use this drop-down menu to select any of the other cryptocurrencies that BlockFi supports, and you can receive your cashback rewards in those cryptocurrencies instead of Bitcoin. So Ethereum, Litecoin, USDC. Right there, you can either go with some of the stable coins. So this does give you some flexibility, and you can use this as just another tool in your toolbox as part of your overall crypto strategy. Hey, I get paid in Bitcoin. That's the name of the game. Get paid in cryptocurrency, stacks on stacks on stacks. That has been our unboxing of this card. Anybody that's interested, there's the link in the description. It'll get you over to BlockFi, and we will both get a little benefit out of that. We'll get